guys, thanks for joining us. Every once in a while you can make a purchase that you really feel good about, and we really feel good about making the purchase on this teardrop trailer. But one thing we realize is there's 5 things you must have to make camping with the teardrops a little bit easier and to protect your investment. Number 1, a set of drive-on ramps. Now these ramps are good for backing your trailer onto them, and they protect your tires because they keep your tires off the ground from sinking in the dirt and prevent the flat spots. And it also help to level out the trailer. So you always want to, get some ramps or something like that to protect your tires, and that's why it's number 1. Number 2, you always want to get a water pressure regulator. Remember, when you go to these campsites, the water pressure is not always regulated at 40, 50 psi. And if it's like higher than that, like say 60, 70, 80, 100 psi, man, you could damage some parts in your RV. You can blow out the hoses and damage water lines and stuff and all that kind of stuff. So you always want to make sure you get a pressure regulator for your water. They don't cost that much. Just little small items you can get from Amazon or someone like that. Number 3, if you do not have a window shade on your door, trust me, get you some type of window shade. This one came from Amazon and sticks in with Velcro, but window shade helps to protect your interior from the sun, not to mention prying eyes. You're at a campsite at night, especially you turn the lights on, people can see everything in there. So you want to protect your privacy and your investment. So just get yourself a window shade. That's number 3. Number 4, jack stands. Get some kind of a jack stand pads to prevent your trailer jack stands from going down into the dirt and keeping it level. You want to keep your trailer level, but with the jack stand pads, they prevent damage from your driveway and pavement, and keep your jack stands from going down into asphalt and stuff like that. So I think that's a nice item to have for number 4, and they don't cost that much. You can get them in like sets of 4, sets of 5, and different sizes. And the last item you really need, and I'm glad that we have it, they don't cost that much. You go to Walmart or someone like that, but some trailer bubble levels. Now, I suggest getting like a 2-pack. That way you can level your trailer out front to back, side to side. Because you got to remember, you want to have your trailer level. Because if it's not level, it can affect the way your appliances work. It can affect the way you sleep. For example, when we first set this thing up, it was tilted back, and I noticed that I was sliding down. I couldn't sleep right, man. I was sliding down, so couldn't have that. So this is only my opinion, but I think those are the 5 items you should get as soon as you get your trailer. Now, guys,